Hi guys, it's Dave's Retro Repairs, and I just got this Nikon L35AF in bits, as you can see, and something I just wanted to show you, and hopefully it might help somebody out there, is that you can see I've just taken the backing off this one, and the problem with it was that the shutter release would only go and lock on for close targets, i.e. the first when you look through the viewfinder, only very close objects. And I thought to myself, that's not quite right, and we need to have a look at that. So I've taken it completely to bits. This one had all kinds of gunk and rubbish in here that had come through from a leaky battery department on this side. So I've gone at it just with distilled malt vinegar and plenty of these bits and pieces, and I've managed to clean all of that up, and so it's now got power. But what I found is that look, this one's got a loose, you can have it's got a loose screen there, so I'll look to fix that. But the key thing I wanted to point out here is that you'll notice that the timer part here is broken. That this spindle here comes up from the bottom and should lock onto this piece here, because this should actually be a circle all the way around there, so that when you set the timer from the outside, it stays locked on until the timing mechanism is released. So as I was very carefully taking it to pieces, I noticed that the remaining part of it is actually stuck here and is causing this to not go all the way, so it won't focus. So I'm hoping this one's a ridiculously simple fix, in as much as if I take where's my long nose? If I can just tease this part out of here, there we go, look, that bit there, it's just broken off inside the camera. That's all it is. So that, I can probably now glue that back into place and make that, if I can't get another one online, I can probably refix it. But now, hopefully, that will allow, let's go back to screwdriver, that should allow this whole section to move freely now, and then cause the machine to focus correctly. Anyway, that was just a quick video. What I will then go back and do is make sure that this this glass sits back in, and I will also clean the viewfinder, any crud that's in there. Just while I'm here, I can show you. I'm trying to do it with one hand, and for the video to make sense. So that tiny little screw there, all that wants to do is to come out of there, and with the front off, you see how it just latches on that side. It just latches there. It's got a tiny little latch piece there, and it just sits on that little piece there. But whilst I've got all this open, I can get some residual oil remover, raw, get in there and clean all of those out, so I've got a nice clean viewfinder again. So I'll make a follow-up once I've got this thing working, but I'm hoping this is a relatively simple fix, in as much as the internal plastic had broken off into the camera and was stopping this from functioning correctly. It doesn't look too serious apart from that, but I'll do a follow-up so as you can have a look. Hopefully that's helped someone. Give us a like and a subscribe if you like the kind of thing I'm into. Anyway, take care. Bye for now.